Sun is trying to peek out. Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Good morning, guys. Saturday morning, workout's done. Yeah, you can see I got my beanie on. It's in the low 50s and the wind is really blowing this morning, so it made my workout a challenge. I guess that's good, right? You want a challenging workout. So yeah, Florida's doing its whole 70 50 70 50. Tomorrow it's supposed to be like 80 in the 80s and rainy all day. So anyway, sun's out today. Mama Badger, I met her on my street as I was coming home. She is off and running for the accident scene management class today. That should be awesome. I will have some video when I go bring them lunch, so that should be later on in this video. Anyway, it is Saturday. I've got Nerdy Badger's car to figure out, right? And the electrical system, see what's going on with it. I'm probably just going to replace it all and be done with it. But anyway, we're going to get that taken care of hopefully today. Accident scene management class today. We got a big day today. And then if you guys saw yesterday's video, you saw I'm just waiting on parts for silver, so that I can get silver back on the road. So some of the projects I just can't even mess with right now. Anywho, it is time for coffee. I have earned it. You guys have yourselves a fantastic Sunday, and we will talk to you in a few. All right, we got all the pizza. It's 11 pizzas there. I guess maybe I should break out the seat belt and strap them in. I think I'll move some to the back. That'll probably be the safest, right? All right, so we're almost to the church where they're holding the class. Let's get over there. Well, you know, I'm not on a motorcycle today, but I mean, if I'm not on a motorcycle, a 35-year-old Jeep isn't a bad way to travel either. So let's get over there and check out what's going on. All right, guys, we are here, and it is lunch break. So we got all of those pizzas stacked out here for everybody to help themselves. Got everybody out here enjoying the Florida sunshine, taking a break. While they're here, I'll go show you the classroom. So it's back in behind the church here. A couple people went. I don't know if they went to pick up their own food or what. Maybe they just don't like pizza. You know how hard it is to drive in a Jeep full of pizza and you don't eat pizza? You love pizza, but you don't eat it because of your diet? Oh, talk about just sheer freaking torture. That's it. All right. And here's the classroom. So you can see Sunshine State Biker Lawyer, who was the sponsor of this. Let me get around this way so you can see it better. They're one of the sponsors along with Support Bikers. That is the first aid kit that they give you for taking the class. Look, their names are out here. Here is all the classroom tables. Here is the teacher setup. Got a big TV so people can watch the videos, and then here's all the stuff that they'll be using for the class today. So how cool is this? For 30 bucks, it's 30 or 35, I'm pretty sure it's 30. For $30, you get to come all day and learn about accident scene management. You get a first aid kit that's probably worth 30 bucks. You get lunch, which is what, 10, 15 bucks. And the class is all covered by Sunshine State Biker Lawyer Carmen DeLutri. So that's a pretty good setup, and we've got this many more people. I think there's 22 in the class today. This many more people know what to do at the scene of an accident. So, I mean, I would call that a win-win-win kind of day. And really got to thank RJ for finding us this building last minute, because we needed a place to hold this class, and this place works great. So thank you, RJ. And now I guess my oldest daughter wants to take me to lunch before I fix her car. I told her she's gonna owe me. She's gonna owe me lunch at least. She's got the best mechanic in the world because I'm cheap. Anyway, so she's gonna take me to lunch, and then I'm gonna proceed to attempt to to fix our HHR. Anyway, that's what this class looks like. How cool is that? All right, guess what time it is? HHR time. Let's see if we can get this beast figured out and not have to mess with it anymore. So here we go. All right, so I got Neve's car fixed, I think. I did get it tacked up. I was able to test it. It wasn't charging, so it has a new alternator, and I put a new tensioner on it while I was there. So alternator, tensioner have been replaced. I couldn't get it to duplicate it again. That's nothing new, right? We've had that situation before, so she'll just have to drive it for a while and make sure it's good. But I feel like it's good. I feel like it was definitely the alternator. I mean, all the connections tested good, so I was getting the same readings at the alternator all the way back to the battery. So I don't think it's a wiring issue. I truly think it was the alternator. So I replaced the alternator. Hopefully we're good to go there. I took the Jeep out today to deliver the pizzas. It performed flawlessly. Woohoo! That means I'm pretty confident in it. Waiting on parts on Silver. And Mama Badger brought me home a bunch of clips and all from the class today, so I'm going to put that in the video here as well. So enjoy. We'll see you tomorrow.
Right. Okay, and it's on the head's count.
No, well, what he tells us.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, roll!
Okay, now you want to take
I have
the
been
lower
under
hand.
her.
Hold his hand off.
Yep.
Yep.
Take the lower hand, you want to tuck it under as much as you can. Keep going, because you got to go back, land on. Okay? No, not ever let go.
I got it.
No, two hands.
Oh, 2 hands.
Two hands.
Oh, 2
I
hands.
do,
hands.
I will do this.
Okay, we got it.
Okay, you
All right.
got
Your
it?
hand should be like this.
Okay,
Okay? Ready?
ready?
Call down. Down, 3, 2, 1. Still got a hit.
That's
There
it.
we go.
All right,
Get her head. You're unconscious. Oh, sorry.
Quit laughing. Play dead. Roll over, sit,
You want to grab,
Which glasses is it?
you want to grab the blanket and her.
I like the belt right there.
I'm grabbing your belt.
Oh, I'm going for the money.
Okay?
Grab your belt.
I'm grabbing the belt.
There you go.
It's on the head's count.
Go, 1, 2, 3.
There you go. And you just keep doing that.
Just like this. This is why I'm usually the incident commander. FEMA.
That's a good thing to be.
ICS. Coming
Good thing to be.
Ready?
I've only been the,
Oh, you got so gentle.
taking off.
Jason knows just how to do that.
Easy to you. Okay. You can't.
Look, it's their new ride. Grandpa's holding up the mattress. Guess he's waiting for us to help him put the mattress in. This should be fun. Got the mattress held up.
You didn't want to even try it.
I could throw it
I
out
don't
of
blame
the
him.
house.
Yeah, I'll watch your parents.
At least I got the bed.
Got the
Gave me
bed.
the bed.
Here's the rig.
I got the bed. She got the couch, I got the bed.
I thought that seat wasn't supposed to be.
Alright, so there's the RV that's going to be parked outside of my house tonight.
Where's the bag? No, I'm covering your face so they can't see your face.
Getting closer. They're almost moved in, or almost moved out, however you want to look at that.
I want my drink.
Now, we just helped them load their mattress. That was a mother. But it's loaded, they're ready to go, and we're headed home so I can edit this video for you.